In this video, we're going to take a look at a brand new product from OLIGHT. And yeah, I know what you're thinking, OLIGHT? Really? Well, here's the thing. I've used their flashlights for a while and literally never had an issue with any of them, so already I'm not anti-OLIGHT, other than the fact that obviously it's made in China. If you're cool with buying Holosun, then you should watch the rest of this video. If not, just watch it to see the cool new technology that's out there today. Full disclosure, OLIGHT did send this over for free for this review, but no money was exchanged, and I'm fully allowed to say whatever I want, which of course is the same for all the reviews I do on the channel. The best way to support the channel is by becoming a member of the kit page, where I provide discount codes and organize all the links to everything I talk about on the channel. A huge thank you to the and thank you Optics Planet. Use code GUNMAN7 on their site, or again become a member of the kit page and get a better discount code for them there. So this video is just going to be a first look at the site and my thoughts on it so far. This is of course without shooting it yet. I have a new build I'm working on where I'm going to shoot the crap out of this thing to see how it holds up, but for now I just wanted to show it and tell you guys my initial thoughts. I do have to say, out of the box, I'm pretty impressed. It's made from 7075 aluminum, it's IPX6 waterproof, it's parallax free, has an insanely big window that allows a really clear sight picture. It does have a motion sensor function. It also has light sensor technology, a memory function, 10 daylight and 2 night vision brightness settings, allegedly has a max runtime of 70,000 hours on a single charge, and probably the most wild part of the whole thing is how it charges. There isn't a removable battery at all. It charges via this magnetic charging cover. You just set the sight inside it and it does the rest. The cover can charge the sight 3 times on a full charge, which is pretty wild considering how long the sight can last on the right setting. I'm pretty sure 70,000 hours is an overstatement. It's probably only on the lowest setting that it lasts that long. I usually keep it around setting 6 or 7, so I'll see how long it actually lasts when I show it off on the build I'm working on. But with the charging cover, honestly, I don't think the battery life is an issue because it's really so easy to charge. I can't imagine a time where you wouldn't be able to set it in the cover to recharge if you needed to within 15 days. So even if you were keeping it at the max brightness, it should last 15 days. And first of all, you're not going to be keeping it on the max brightness all the time. And second, I think within 15 days, you'd be able to find a time to charge this anyway. So yeah, the charging is really cool. I love the technology they incorporated into this. So far, I think this is the coolest thing about the sight. So despite its large window, they made the footprint the same as the Trijicon RMR. So if you have any slides cut for the RMR, it should mount easily in its spot. It also comes with a bunch of screws, so you should have the right ones for your setup. The price is going to sit at $200 for the red dot version and $230 for the green, which is pretty competitive. For the features and quality from what I've seen so far, that's actually a really good price. I'm curious if they're going to make a compact version of this for guns like the 43X MOS or the X Macro. I think those would sell really well, so if they see this, I would jump on that if you haven't already. I honestly just can't get over the window size and how clear it is. I mean, if this thing can hold up to abuse, I think it's a really cool product. The buttons are really tactile and feel good to push on the sides. You can lock your favorite brightness setting so it won't change on you, and overall the whole thing does feel really durable. I think at this point the only fear that I have is because the window is so big, people might run into issues with the glass breaking if they are rough on their gear. I'm sure somebody's going to come out with a torture test on this soon to see how it holds up, or let me know if you want me to destroy this one. I don't really want to because I want to use it, but I do want you to have what you need to make the best decision on if this would work for you or not. I personally, as of right now, don't have a ton of data on how this thing performs yet, but I'm going to be testing it over the next little while to see how it holds up under regular use. OLIGHT apparently did a 10,000 round reliability test to make sure it would retain 0, and they claim that it did. So if it loses 0 under 10,000 rounds, I think that we can debunk that. We'll see how it does. I'm personally not going to shoot 10,000 rounds for it, but I'll of course make sure it retains 0 for however many I do shoot. Overall, the design of the optic is really good. I don't have any huge complaints. The logos are minimal, which is usually my biggest annoyance. It has all the features I care about and more. It's basically the best of Holosun with added features as long as as it can be as reliable as Holosun. I would say really good job to OLIGHT for coming out with a really cool new optic with new technology. I'm glad they reached out to me. I'm happy to try these out so you don't have to waste your money if it's not good, but so far I'm honestly pretty impressed with it. When it comes down to it, don't waste your money if you aren't planning on training with the gear you buy. Training is one of the most important aspects of gun ownership, so make sure you get out there and improve your skills so you can be more capable of defending innocent life and those you love. I do have a new content schedule that should allow me to post once a week, so subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next one.